guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today we are doing a wig install featuring Clione Units. It's a synthetic wig company. I have purchased from them before. This is a 28-inch crimp style synthetic wig, and the color on the website was an 18C. So if you want to see how I install this and how it came packaged, then just continue to watch this video. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you guys the closure. I will explain this later on in the video, but these are the type of closure I do not like. As you can see, there is a gray part, and that is because the lace that the hair is connected to is a gray, like I guess you can call it a cap. So I thought by cutting this, I wasn't sure how much flexibility I would have, but when I cut it and finally took the I guess it's like 2 coats of the lace off, I didn't really have much room like I wanted to try to customize the hair to make it look more natural as possible. But I'm just showing you guys how it didn't work out. The hair was connected to the actual part. Looking this way, you can't really tell the gray, but when you look above, there is gray. Like, they actually make the wigs and they're sewn onto like this gray, like, it's a fabric. Like, it's no way you can customize that. But as you can see here, I'm going in with my bow hold and my Got to Be freeze spray, and I will be using these products only to lay down this lace. My braids, I've braided my hair just some basic straight backs. The wig cap came with the hair, and we were just laying that down before we lay down the lace. And I did use the clips, and I adjusted the hair on the second strap. As you can see in the beginning, it has 2 clips along with the adjustable band in the back. So I'm just clipping the hair in and just beginning to get it positioned onto my hair. All right, y'all, so this is how it looks on, and I didn't do much talking in this tutorial. It was a little different for me. So as you can see, and I showed you guys in the video, these type of synthetic wigs I do not like because it doesn't give you a lot of parting space in the top. It doesn't give you more of a natural look. I guess up close it won't, but up far I think you'll be good. I'm gonna put some concealer in the part just to lighten it up some more. So I'm gonna get dressed and come back with my final thoughts on this wig. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. This wig, if you were giving it out of a 10 rating, I would give it like a 6. All right, so the main reason why I'm deducting points from this unit is mainly the closure area. It's really small. I can't remember the dimensions, but again, as you know, as previous in any other my unit videos, I will put the link to the hair in the description box below. But this hair is from Clione. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I've also purchased hair from them before, and I will put it in the link right here if you want to see the previous unit that I purchased from them. This is a 28-inch synthetic wig, and it is in the color on the website is 18C. I don't mind the color. For me, I think the color will look good if it looked more natural at the top. People who don't really care too much about customizing and making it look more natural may feel like this is a great wig, but for me, because I wear wigs often and I do customize mine a lot, this is something that I deducted from the points because I like my wigs to look as natural as possible. And the fact that you can't even tell I have a part is really what's crazy. I went and put 2 different kind of concealers there and it's still not there, but I really believe that that's because of the type of lace it is. As you saw in the video, the type of lace that this is the lace that I do not like. It has that gray under, I showed it like it's just like a gray coat where it's where the hair is implementing in, so you can't remove it. If you do, you'll just pretty much be bald from here, but it's pretty much the scalp for the wig, and it does not look good at all. So in the video you saw where I kind of like put some foundation on the actual lace on the back, and on the top I tried to I just tried to put some concealer to think it was gonna work, but it really didn't help too much. So I don't know, y'all. It still doesn't look bad, you know. I feel like this is something I could throw on. But I mean, but I do love it. I love the crimps. They're very soft. I mean, it is a synthetic wig. So as I was like playing with it a little bit, it kind of like is getting frizzy, and I don't like that. So I'm trying to like not mess with it too much because this is not a hairstyle that I can go in with my flat iron or my hot comb to fix, because my crimp is a little bit bigger than this, so I don't feel like it would give the same effects. And I don't have the option to do like temperatures for my crimp. It's either high, low, or medium. I probably could try low, but honestly I like the temperature ones when I'm using synthetic wigs because it gives me a little bit more security that I know that I can use the heat on the synthetic wig. But for the most part, y'all, this is really a good wig. It comes with 2 clips on the side, and on the back it has the adjustable strap, so you can make it tighter or adjust it to your preference. It's very breathable, so if you want to get to your scalp you can because of the holes. It did come with the stocking caps, which I love. I feel like this company and a lot of wigs I order online now, they always include earrings. I don't know why they feel like that's something people want. I don't really care too much for no hoop earrings, but some people do, so to each his own. But for me, it doesn't give any extra brownie points if you give me extra hoop earrings. It's just gonna be in a package with the rest of them. I don't wear hoop earrings like that, and if I do, I like them a little bit bigger than that. So yeah, I don't know. So, but for the most part, y'all, I really do like this hair. Again, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below so you can check out the link, and then you can purchase it for yourself. I would honestly, even though I'm giving this a 6 out of 10, I would go back and order a black one just to see how that one looks, because everybody online was looking like, I don't know. One thing I did not like is because the girl in the description on the thing, she looked like she was, her closure was customized, but I cannot do that to mine. So you already know they took that from somebody else. But here's the truth. You cannot do that. The lace part right here, you cannot go back on here because this is on that gray part. You probably have like probably smaller than 1 inch of hair that you could work with, but that's not even nothing. Let me see. Can you see? No, you can't even see it. So like, that's not even nothing to even disclose, you know, about being able to customize and adjust the lace. That's something that you have to do. You know, if you want to, you know, play with fire, you can do that, but it's really no room to do that, especially when it's on this type of lace. You really don't want to play with that. But I will still give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, a 6 out of 10 is what I said before. Like, I'll make sure I didn't say nothing different, but yeah, I would give it a 6 out of 10 just because the hair itself is good. It's the actual closure that takes away and diminishes from the value of the hair. But if you just want something quick and easy with some crimps, you're going out, I would get it. Simple. It's only $20. if you want something that's cheap under $20, it was like $20 or 20 under 30, under 25. Okay, it was under $25, then you can definitely try this out. I mean, it's not a bad wig for under $25. So let's not go like I was expecting frontal. But I'm just saying, for my own personal preference, it's a 6 out of 10 for me, and that's because I like customizations. I do have a closure wig that is synthetic that I like. It was the gray wig, and I can't remember who the company was from, but some of those wigs you can get where you can customize the part, the lace a little bit more, and that's what I enjoy. That's what I like, because I like things to look as natural as possible. So that is a plus for me. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you liked it and made it this far, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.